Want to delete your TikTok account from your iPhone? Well, look no further. It's a very simple process. In this guide, I will show you the simple steps to permanently remove your TikTok account on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Accounts. Look below. Here, you will find the Deactivate or Delete Account option. Now tap on it. If you want to deactivate your account, then tap on the Deactivate Account option. Deactivate means no one can see your account and content, but you can reactivate your account anytime and then you can recover all your content. Or if you want to permanently delete your account, then tap on the Delete Account Permanently option. Here, TikTok wants to know why you want to delete your account. If you want to inform the reason, you can select the reason, otherwise you can skip it from the top right corner. Here, you can download your TikTok data by tapping on Request Download. Or you can continue to delete. First, mark this message and then hit Continue. Here's the final confirmation. Tap Continue to permanently delete this TikTok account. So, folks, this is the way to delete your TikTok account on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any kind of questions, write them in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.